In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an HTML file in Microsoft Edge. This can be useful if you're working with web files or doing some web development, or simply want to view the content of HTML documents. Let's explore two methods you can use to accomplish this task, both straightforward and efficient. First, let's discuss the most common approach, double-clicking the file. This method is extremely simple if Microsoft Edge is already set as your default browser. Begin by locating the HTML file you want to open on your computer. This might be a file with a name like myfile.html that you've saved or downloaded onto your device. Once you've found your file, all you need to do is double click on it. As long as Edge is your default browser, the file will promptly open up in Microsoft Edge, displaying the content directly. This is probably the quickest and easiest method, provided you've set your default browser preferences. Now, what if Microsoft Edge is not your default browser? No worries, there is an alternative method you can follow to manually choose Edge to open the HTML file. Start by right-clicking on the HTML file you wish to open. A menu will pop up on the screen offering several options. Select the option that says Open With. In the menu that pops up, you'll need to choose Microsoft Edge. If Edge appears on the list, go ahead and select it to open your file immediately. In some cases, Microsoft Edge might not appear directly on the initial listing. If this happens, don't panic. Just click on Choose Another App and you'll be able to peruse a more comprehensive list of applications installed on your computer. Scroll through and find Microsoft Edge. Once you locate it, click to select. As an added tip, if you foresee opening several HTML files with Edge in the future, you might want to set it up as the default program for opening HTML files right from this menu. If this sounds useful to you while selecting Microsoft Edge, check the box that says always use this app to open .html files before you proceed. This way Edge will be set automatically to open any HTML files moving forward, making the process even more streamlined. And there you have it. Now you know two effective ways to open HTML files using Microsoft Edge, whether it is your default browser or not. This can be particularly handy for web designers, developers, or anyone dealing with web-based documents. Implementing these methods can save you time and help you navigate through HTML files with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.